The church is living in an age of precarity. Just a few weeks ago, the Gallup organization revealed that for the first time since it started polling, church membership among Americans has reached an all-time low, dipping to 47%. The Christian church is now a minority, according to this statistic, leading some to say that for the first time, we are officially living in a pagan nation. This isn't the first time the church has been a minority. The early church lived as a minority in a pagan culture for its first 3 centuries. Still, much has changed since then. How did we go from a time, say, 500 years ago, just as the Reformation was getting underway and Christian belief was virtually all there was, to a time when Christian faith is merely one option among myriad others? What do we mean when we call this age secular? Especially when we look around and we don't see an absence of beliefs and spiritualities, but an uncountable number of them. We don't live in a godless time, but it might be a pluralistic time. Facing the precarity of the church's situation is fraught with other challenges. Besides our minority status, the church faces tremendous social distrust. We feel the loss of our influence. We're frustrated by how even our own members treat the faith with a lack of importance and how society sees the church as irrelevant. Our voice is unwanted. Our message is often considered antiquated. And there are times when the church experiences outright hostility. I'm Chad Lakies. Join me in July as we plunge together into an examination of our cultural moment, our age of precarity. We'll explore the basics of how things have changed so much in just a few hundred years. We'll discuss what it means to live in a secular age where a kaleidoscope of beliefs exists alongside unbelief. And we'll look closely at the possibilities for a winsome Christian witness in a time when we've become the minority. Let's spend a few days together, learning from one another and looking for the many possibilities of engaging others with the hope of the gospel. For this is not just an age of precarity for us, the church, but also for those to whom God is calling us to witness and minister. I'm looking forward to seeing you as we seek to effectively live out the church's witness in a secular age.